All right, back with EEE 203 midterm practice exam. We're on question 6 now, which has to do with system properties. So for a continuous time or discrete time LTI system to be causal or stable, what are the requirements? What is the requirement on the impulse response H of T or H of N? The followings are the impulse response of LTI systems. Determine whether each system is one causal or two stable or stable, and then justify your answers. And on the handout she gave, it listed um, the requirements for causality and stability. So if H of T is equal to 0 for T less than 0, then that's a causal system. So that's the same for dt with respect to n. So H of n equal to 0 for n less than 0. And in stability, if we take the integral over all time of the magnitude of H of tau d tau, and that's less than infinity, or the sum over all of time. So the sum from k equals negative infinity to infinity of the magnitude of H of k, and that's less than infinity, then it's a stable system. So let's take a look at A here. We have H of n equals 0.9 n u of n plus 1. And we can very easily show that it's not a causal system. Let's just throw in a value of negative 1. Well, we get 0.9 to the negative 1 u negative 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0.9 negative 1 u of 0, which is equal to 0.9 to the negative 1, and that does not equal 0. So, not causal. Now for the stability, let's we have to do the sum over all of k equals negative infinity to infinity of 0.9 n u n plus 1. Now it's always helpful to go over some stuff, so let's take a look at this unit step real quick. Well, if we want this unit step to be on, if we want it to be 1, well then n has to be greater than or equal to 1. And it's off when n is less than, negative 1 here, negative 1 here. And I guess these should be k's, huh? Just dummy variables, so. And now, well, we have this criteria right here, so we can rewrite our sum as from k equals negative 1 to infinity, and I'm going to change this 0.9 out to a, I'll just leave it for now, but we get 0.9 k. And this is a, an infinite sum, geometric series, or whatever it's called, and we can apply a formula that we encountered already with a little manipulation. So if we take out this first term, we do 0.9 to the negative 1 plus, and then we pick up our sum again, k equals 0 to infinity of 0.9 k. Well, now it's in that good form, and we can negative 1, we can simplify it. That's plus, and that should be what? 1. We have, this right here is less than 1, so that's going to be 1 over 1 minus 9 over 10. And just keep working it. So we have 10 over 9. Take the reciprocal of that, plus, well, we have 1 divided by 1 minus 0.9, so we have 1 over 10, which is equal to 10 over 9 plus 10 over 1, which that's going to be equal to 10 over 9 plus, multiply by 90 over 9, which is equal to 100 over 9, which what's that? That's 11.1 repeat. All right. And the important thing is that, well, this is less than infinity. So A or H of n equals 0.9 n u of n plus 1 is not causal, but is stable. And I will be back to do B in the next video. Thank you.